Hello everyone, this is Jas sir, and today in this video we are going to talk about some specific topic that has been asked by a lot of people, that how we can learn English without grammar. And actually this is the fact is that a lot of people are asking, but I think so from my point of view that without grammar English cannot be learned. The fact is that like if you don't know grammar, then how we can transform, how you can translate any particular sentences. Because for example, if you don't know the basics rules of grammar, if you don't know verbs, active passive tenses, and so many topics which are really indispensable in this particular English, then if you don't know this topic, then you cannot be able to speak in English at all, guys. But there are some ways which I would like to share in this particular video to you all, guys. That first thing we have to do, that is we have to create our particular environment at home by sitting. Because if you are living in India and there are lesser people who speak like English, guys, so this is the like disadvantages in India, like less people who speak in English, and you cannot interact with every people that who speak only in English. So one thing that you have to do, that whenever you are sitting at home, just you have to play the music in English, and you can listen English speeches, English and English podcasts you can watch at home, and just you can create like you are sitting in America, guys. So if you are feeling like America at home, then you can definitely create the environment at home and easily, and just you have to focus on your listening skills more and more, and the more you listen, the better you speak English. Because if you are listening any particular word, then you will automatically memorize in your mind for the rest of your life, and you will never be able to forget each and everything, guys. Understood? So this is the main and basic skill that you have to follow on a daily basis, that is listening skills is the most important. And the second thing when it comes to English speaking, that is reading. And reading can help you in order to improve your pronunciation, in order to improve your confidence, as well as knowledge and as well as vocabulary, guys. Because if you are reading anything English content like online or wherever you are reading like books or offline magazines and newspapers, you will interact with so many vocabulary which the meaning of these particular words you don't know. So the thing which you have to do, that is you have to search on like Google or anywhere dictionary. You have to take Oxford dictionary, that is a like extremely great dictionary, and that you have to use on a daily basis. That is just you can use it digitally also, and you can download on your mobile phone. That is definitely will help you, guys. Understood? So this is the second tip that you have to use in your daily basis, like because reading can improve your confidence and so many things like your pronunciation, knowledge and confidence and etc, guys. Understood? And reading, the thing you have to do, that reading you don't have to read like a slowly. You don't have to read English like a superficially. You have to read it flawlessly and thoroughly and with confidently, because and you have to read it loudly. If you read loudly, then your hesitation will remove and your confidence will boost up, guys. Understood? So this is the fact, and don't try to focus on your advanced learning English. First focus on your basics, because if you are not focusing on your basic English, then you will not be able to speak in English advanced level. Understood? So first complete your basics. And basically the when it comes to grammar, guys, grammar is really extremely important. But if you don't want to learn grammar, if you are not very interested, if you don't want to give effort a lot on grammar and by wasting your time, then you can do this kind of activities which I have told you, that reading and which I have told you, like listening. And the third and more important, that is writing, guys. Writing can improve your spelling, and vocabulary will also improve actually, and your handwriting will also improve. So writing, you can write about your place, about India, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, wherever you are living in city. You can write about the Indian education, you can write about like agriculture of India, you can write about economical system, and you can write about the technology of whatever the conditions which are going on in India's system. We can write about political science, you can write about science, technology and so many things. The way you can improve your knowledge as well as English, guys. And you can take any particular topic on a daily basis, like computer, mobile and technology, whatever the going on. You have to write it for at least 2-3 pages every single day, so that you can improve your knowledge as well as your confidence, guys. So third thing which you have to follow, that is understood, writing. And fourth and most important, that is after doing this kind of activities, this kind of like things, and if you are not focusing on your speaking skills, then you are not gonna able to understand in English at all, guys. Because if you are doing like so many activities, you are doing so many reading, writing and this kind of things you are doing, but when it comes to English speaking, then everybody is stuck suddenly, guys, in front of everyone. So just you have to start on your speaking skills. I'm not gonna suggest you that you have to speak very advanced level English. Just start your like small things, small sentences which you have to use, like whenever you are interacting with any people, like anywhere you are going, private sectors, even places and offices, or like colleges and universities, you are visiting with any places, then you have to start speaking, and just you can use like a small sentences. At least you can start from a small like particular word that you have to keep in your mind for the rest of your life, that you will not be able to like forget each and everything, guys. So speaking is the most important, guys, and you have to like exaggerate every particular topic, because the more you exaggerate, the more you improve, guys. And if you want to make over command, and if you want to become proficient in this particular skills, guys, so you must have to start speaking in English, guys. Speaking is everything. If you are reading, writing, listening, these are extremely expendable, so you have to start speaking skills. So these are the 4 steps, the way you can learn English naturally. And if you want to improve your grammar as well, so, and grammar is actually important, because when you are going for cracking any particular examination like CAT, JEE or SSC or UPSC, and this kind of high level examination which you have to crack, then grammar will obviously help you in order to crack examination. But when it comes to English speaking, I am not gonna suggest you that you have to like you have to speak in English. Understood? So these are the most factors which you have to apply in your life, and which you have to understand the delicacy of time, guys. So by utilizing your time, you can improve your English, guys. So these are the factors which you have to apply in your life day to day, and you can improve your English, guys. And one day you will definitely be able to speak in English very fluently and very confidently, guys. So this is the fact. And so thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day, and thank you so much, guys, and take care.